Oh, that's flashing. Oh, hey guys, it's your girl. Today we're gonna be doing a slime season on one of my Dark Diary books. This is slime. Turned on my flashlight, so yeah. I did this with some clear glue. I'm just gonna wrap it out the bag. Okay guys, so yeah, this is with my lights off. Playing with the slime. It looks kind of dark blue, but in real life it's light. And I'm using one of my Dark Diary series. I don't have nothing else. The rest of my stuff is at my dad's house, like my tray table and something like that. So this is with the light on. It looks like a little light darkish blue, but it's really light blue. Sorry for the background noise.
Bro.
You see how jelly these look? Got jelly.
I'm asleep.
Drink. I'm just want to see you.
Guys, I don't have no quiet place in my house, so. It's pretty. This is very pretty, guys, on the camera and in real life. Real life, as I say, it's a light blue, and the camera is like a little darkish, silvery blue. That would make it so pretty. And the light is flashing off of it because this is with no light. You can't really see the sparklers. You really can't see nothing except for when it's right here. But now with the light, way better.
You woke up now?
Guys, if you wonder why I chose this Dark Diary book, it's because it's kind of shiny and shimmery. Like you see them sparkles. It's kind of like this as well. And this is light blue. So is this, but it might not look on the camera. But yeah, in real life it is a light blue. So yeah. Oh Jesus, get him over here. So pretty. Okay, so this is another slime, another Dark Diary book. What is that? I was gonna say something in my slime, but no. It's my other book. Ooh.
That's important.
Be quiet, away.
Nope.
See, you make me talk on my YouTube channel. I'm not supposed to be talking about that.
She just farted.
Shut up, you!
She didn't deny it though. That's
Oh my!
She called her fart Annie. Just in case she recording now. She just let out another one.
No, I did not, you liar. This is supposed to be.
That's the slime fart. It's really hurt.
No, it's not. This is supposed to be A-B conversation. Just me and my subscribers. Probably ABC conversation. Me, subscribers, and slime.
How many subscribers you got?
15.
Girl.
Boy.
Girl.
Boy.
Boy.
Lady.
Sir.
Ma'am.
Young man.
Young thug.
That's still a boy.
I don't care. Stop. Now what if that wouldn't hit me?
Then you would have farted.
No, it not. Okay, guys. I got one more thing to do.
She got fart.
Guys, I
She
love.
just farted like 3 times.
No, I did not. Be quiet. Stop making jokes.
Oh, I put that on. Man, alright.
Yeah, because you know it wasn't true. Okay, guys, I left my other dork diary at my class. In my class. So yeah, in total, how many dork diaries do you think I put on here today? So yeah. Bye, guys. And that was my cousin. She was saying all the annoying and stupid stuff. Okay.
See that?